Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Our names are UDOGU and IGWE FN, and our presentation is titled Emerging Technology Skills Required by Technical College Graduates of Motor Vehicle Mechanics Work for Self-Reliance in Southeastern Nigeria. The activities of humans in today's society has really improved through the use of automobiles. The use of automobiles is so widespread that today everyone relies on an automobile to get to work, school, the local shopping mall, market, and so on and so forth. Since people don't work on their own cars, this implies that they will totally rely on an auto technician to keep their vehicles in good running order. Hence, the demand for skilled auto technician is on the increase. However, in Nigeria, the formal training of technicians is carried out in technical colleges. Technical colleges are post-basic education institutions in Nigeria designed to provide full vocational training that will enable the students acquire relevant knowledge, skills, and attitude for employment and entrepreneurship in various occupational trades in the world of work, of which automobile sector is one of it. Now, the aim of this program, the Motor Vehicle Mechanics Work, is to give training and impart necessary skills leading to the production of craftsmen, master craftsmen, and other skilled personnel who will be enterprising and self-reliant. That's according to the National Board for Technical Education 2003. In other words, motor vehicle graduates are expected to diagnose, service, and completely repair any fault relating to the conventional automobile assembly units to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, my worry for this study is that currently modern vehicles contain computerized and electronic control systems, emission control systems, as well as advanced diagnostic equipment. Now, these vehicle technology and maintenance processes have adversely affected transportation system in Nigeria, and as well as advanced the problems facing auto mechanic graduates who possess little or no emerging technology skills in the course of discharging their duties in either a paid or self-employment. Now, in Anambra and Enugu States, which is the focus of this study, this area is one of the 3 autos clusters in Nigeria, according to National Automotive Council in 2014, and based on its commercial and industrial activities, it has a sizable vehicular population with high demands for effective repairs and maintenance, thereby increasing the prospects of motor vehicle graduates or students for effective practice of automobile trade. Hence, the need for the study. Now, the purpose of this study is narrowed down to 2. First of all, to identify the skills, emerging skills that is needed or required by technical college graduates for onboard diagnostic systems. 2 is to find out the emerging technology skills required by technical college graduates of motor vehicle in maintenance of fuel system, all for self-reliance. The methodology, the study adopted the survey research design, and the study was carried out in Anambra and Enugu States of Nigeria. The target population for the study is 129, consisting 120 automobile industrial workers and 9 motor vehicle mechanic work instructors of notable automobile maintenance workshops and technical colleges in both Anambra and Enugu States of Nigeria. The methodology, the entire population were studied because it is of manageable size, and the structured questionnaire consisting of 50 emerging skill items were used to elicit information from the respondents. The instrument was subjected to face validation by 5 experts. An internal consistency of reliability of instrument was established using Cronbach Alpha method, which yielded reliability coefficient of 0.92. Mean was used to answer each of the 2 research questions, and t-test was used for testing the null hypothesis at probability level of 0.05 significance. The findings of this study include: first, findings for onboard diagnosis systems. Skills required are: 1. Install a windmill software for reading onboard diagnosis data. 2. Identify the onboard diagnosis port in modern vehicles. 3. Locate the diagnostic link connector. 4. Connect the vehicle's onboard computer to a laptop using an interface and an onboard diagnosis software 4. Connect the onboard diagnostic scan tool or handheld tester to data link connector, and then check and retrieve diagnostic trouble codes and freeze frame data stored in the electronic control model memory, and so many others. The second one has to do with the maintenance, the request key they require for maintenance of fuel system. First, retrieve fuel system diagnostic trouble code. 2. Print and interpret fuel system diagnostic trouble codes. 3. Check fuel injector malfunction using vehicle communication kit. We'll have also check fuel system circuit, test the manifold absolute pressure sensor using multimeter. Then we'll have inspect and replace oxygen lambda sensor, check fuel pump pressure, inspect, remove and replace electronic defective injectors, then test run the fuel system with a multimeter to clear trouble codes, and so many others not captured in the slide. My recommendations are as follows. They identify emerging technology skills of modern automobile systems should be integrated into the national curriculum of motor vehicle program in technical colleges for the training of students. Secondly, the curriculum for training auto mechanic instructors and teachers should be reviewed also, as to include modern automobile technologies in order to prepare those teachers who will be able to implement the curriculum with the new content for technical college programs. Conclusion. Emerging technologies and skills for the repair and the maintenance of modern automobile systems are greatly required in almost all the systems of today's vehicle. There is therefore the need to provide technical college graduates of motor vehicle mechanic work with latest technical know-how for the maintenance of modern automobile systems. This is attainable only when there is an urgent review and improvement of the curriculum content of motor vehicle mechanic programs in technical colleges in order for the craftsmen to be relevant, self-reliant, and employable in the modern automobile industries. Thank you for listening.